Well, the blizzard of 2015 hit January 26th at around 6 p.m. It carried on through the night. By dawn, there was probably a foot and a half of snow, blowing snow. During the overnight, we had winds, I would guess, in the vicinity of anywhere from 45 to 65 miles an hour. The next day, that is the 27th, the storm carried on. It continued on until about 6 p.m. that day. By the time the storm was over, we had approximately, I would say, 30 to 36 inches of snow, depending upon where you looked. Some places drifting maybe even deeper than that. But anyhow, we'll rate this storm on a scale of 1 to 10 as an 8. Very serious northeaster. Here's what the National Weather Service was saying that day.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southeast Massachusetts, Cape Cod and the islands, including Fall River, New Bedford, Plymouth and Taunton, issued at 7:20 a.m., Tuesday, January 27th. Today, snow. Areas of freezing fog and blowing snow. Areas of fog this afternoon. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times. Additional snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches. Very windy. Near steady temperature in the lower 20s. North winds 30 to 40 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, cloudy. Snow likely until midnight, then a chance of snow after midnight. Patchy fog until midnight. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times until midnight. Total snow accumulation of 18 to 24 inches. Windy with lows 10 to 16. North winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour, becoming northwest 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of snow 70%. Wednesday, cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Cold with highs in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Wednesday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Lows 8 to 16 above. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 25 miles an hour until midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Thursday night, cloudy. Patchy fog after midnight. A chance of snow after midnight. Near steady temperature in the mid-20s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 50%. Friday, snow likely, mainly in the morning. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the mid-30s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming west 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of snow 60%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog until midnight. Brisk and much cooler with lows 5 to 16 above. Here is the latest offshore marine forecast for the following coastal location, south of New England between the Great South Channel and Montauk Point to 1,000 fathoms. Issued at 3:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Storm warning. Today, north to northeast winds 45 to 55 knots, becoming northwest 45 to 60 knots. Seas 14 to 24 feet. Rain. Scattered thunderstorms. Chance of snow. Tonight, northwest winds 40 to 50 knots, diminishing to 20 to 25 knots. Seas 12 to 20 feet. Chance of snow. Light freezing spray. Wednesday, north to northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 7 to 12 feet. Light freezing spray early. Chance of snow. Wednesday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet. Thursday, north winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming south to southeast. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Thursday.
Well, that's it, folks, for the blizzard of 2015. Remember, stay safe out there. Keep the rubber side down. Remember, there's danger everywhere. And also, remember, I'll be back.